As I unleash the most personal and intimate details of my life while starting completely over, I allow you to experience it all with me. Spend the day with me as I search for some good sights and good eats. This needs to be in a selfie all on its own. I'm determined to live the best life in the city of Los Angeles, and I will persist until I succeed. You think you know, but you have no idea. So Felicia shares it all. I remember when I first started working here, it made me think about Heidi when she worked at that advertising agency on the hills. It's like that vibe. All packed up. And that's the view. We have the best views outside because we have these large, like, windows. Actually, this room has the best view. The best sunset view is in this office. It was gorgeous when the sun sets. Well, it did, not anymore. See, it really has like that loft style vibe. Now we're leaving. My hair has expanded to the size of a relative for the family of Mufasa and Simba and all of them, but it's okay. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber, that's why I have a camera. Okay. Okay. This is our last day here, so I wanted to like film. Alright, so I want to take you guys to one of the most amazing coffee shops over here. I'm not gonna order anything because I'm not hungry and I want to eat at some other places, but it is called Javista. It's the organic tea, coffee and tea. If you guys ever are in Hollywood, I need you to come to this coffee shop because they make the best freaking avocado toast in all of the planet.
It's digital, but it's very
Sorry, thank you so much.
Oh, and nice.
So sorry. This is gonna be a good shot. So I had no idea. I asked if I could film in there, and at first one of the staff members said, I don't know, and he was really hesitant about it. But then I stayed. I took like my turmeric shot even though I didn't even want it, and they grabbed the manager to come out so that I could get the shot, and he said yes. That's why I freaking love what I do, because I freaking love what I do. But I love that coffee shop. I love it. The vibe, the food, just how accessible it is to like the people in the community of this area. Even though I don't like this area, there's some gems here, and we're gonna go to one right now, which is the Hollywood Museum. I cannot believe that just happened. I'm so ecstatic that that happened. I would have never, I didn't even know they were grabbing someone. I wasn't even waiting for them to grab someone. I just, God. shows your vision. Listen, okay? Thank you for blessing. Thank you for the blessing. Okay, so why shouldn't I do it by myself?
No.
Seriously?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so it was recommended that I go to the Museum of Selfies since I'm by myself, as opposed to going to the Museum of Illusion. So I'm going to the Museum of Selfies instead. So. Hi, do you need a permit to film in here? Okay, so when you come in, you get this selfie stick after you pay, of course. And oh, look at these stairs. This is so cute. I can't stand it. Oh, the stairs are so cute. Oh. Oh. This is so pretty.
Guys, we missed the whole room. We missed something.
Yeah, we definitely did since the beginning.
I hate getting captured in a room. Let's try again. Take a selfie while we walk through here. Can I have a selfie stick?
Here.
That's it. Where are you?
Oh, wow. Everything's so pretty and pink. I'm not sure if they meant to like leave that just on the floor broken. Excuse me.
Come on. Stretch. Yes.
Oh, so cute.
Right here.
This is a really cool museum. However, I'm gonna have to turn this off because I can't enjoy it while I'm vlogging. I really want to enjoy the whole selfie stick and the selfie museum experience. So I'm gonna have to cut you off. But you guys, it's been real. I'll see you at the next location. And if you want to see any of the pictures that I take, Instagram is the place to be. As you can see, it's such a hustle and bustle in LA, on the streets of LA. It is such a hustle and bustle, seriously. Everybody's trying to get something, come up off of something, spread their opinions, their ideas, their messages. Yeah. Oh, here's Lucky Strke. Hi, I've just never been in here. I just wanted to see it. Okay. Can I?
You can look around.
Okay, thanks.
Hold on to is you, is you, is you. One day I said, 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 one day
Okay, so I decided to just eat here because I'm hungry and the menu looked good. The menu looked really great actually. So I'm just gonna eat here. And I like the ambiance. It's like chill and I was just kind of looking for something chill. So I'm here for it. You know how I am. It's so cozy in here. I love it. Okay, so let me show you what I got. I asked the bartender to surprise me like I always do. So I have the Philly steak cheese egg rolls, and then their fries, which are natural cut fries. I asked for these on the side of just water, and I was either going to get this or I asked him to surprise me with the filet mignon sliders, but he got me this, so this is what I'm having, and I can appreciate it. They're so good. They are so good. This was a good pick. They're really good. Thank you for choosing these.
I mean, they're both really good, but you seem like that was what you really wanted.
I mean, they're... Do I need to say anything? Do I need to say anything more? I think this says it all. I'm gonna do the chocolate insanity on the menu here because when I walked in, I saw this like milkshakey thing, but then I talked to the bartender. He told me that was not a milkshake, that it was the chocolate insanity. It was indeed the chocolate insanity. So I'm gonna get it. I think it's gonna be good. The chocolate insanity just arrived. Look at that. That looks fantastic. Oh. This needs to be in a selfie all on its own. You cannot be their water. You cannot take any of the attention away. All the focus needs to be on this chocolate insanity. Focus. Good. Okay, I had a really great time. Great food. I didn't bowl, but it was just good to just chill. But it's so funny because I went in there because of that, and I ended up getting that. But I had no intentions of like staying there as long as I did. So I went into Laos. It was totally not what I expected, so I had to walk out. I turned on Felicia 2.0 very nicely. I walked in there. I said I was expecting something more than what this bar has to offer, which is basically attached to the lobby. They said, no, this is it. So I said, okay, deuces. And I didn't look back. But now I'm headed home. There's not much more I want to do. I'm not in the mood to go to the Roosevelt. I'm not in Roosevelt attire. And honestly, the Roosevelt is just super chill, and I would rather be there with people versus just myself. No, that doesn't make sense. I would go by myself. I just don't feel like going. I'm ready to go home. It's been a great day. Lucky Strikes did it for me. After Lucky Strikes, that's all I need. I don't need much more than that. So I'm headed home. This was a great day. That's all I can say. Stay tuned for the next episode of Felicia Shares It All. Oh my hood. I look fly. I look at, what was the one that came on where you started cutting up?